Excuse me. Hello, sir. May I help you? Yes. Can I see that shirt on the top shelf, please? Sure. Here is it. How much it cost? $50. $50? That's too much. How about this one? It's on sale for only $35. I don't like that one. How about the one next to Black Rose? It's very similar to the one you like. That's nice. How much is it? $30. That'll be right. Is this colors okay? Or would you like a different colors? That one fine. Julie and more of these stars. Yes. How many do you want? I'll take two more, a red one and a white one. Bye bye.